What can you do in 10 minutes? Probably not much, right? Maybe you can do a quick check of social media. Jump onto Facebook or Instagram to see what your friends are doing or what the latest funny meme is. Or maybe you can catch some quick videos on YouTube. What about doing some random browsing on the internet? Or what if you spent that 10 minutes transforming your life? What if there was a way for you to work smarter, not longer? Streamline your day to be as efficient as possible at work so you can have a life outside of it. My name is Helene Segura, and I'm a time management fixer. I've set up this online platform for people who don't have a lot of time, but want to discover how to change that. The lessons in each of these modules are set up in bite-sized chunks. You can pop in for 10 minutes to watch one lesson, or you can pull up a chair or a seat on the train during your commute and watch an entire series. If you're willing to invest a few minutes in yourself today, you'll be able to gain back at least 15 minutes tomorrow. When you implement all of the simple strategies and tactics that I reveal to you in these lessons, you'll easily gain back an hour each day. That's 7 hours a week. 28 hours a month, that's 2 weeks over an entire year. All of that time is waiting to be gained back, starting with a tap on your screen or click of your mouse. Are you ready to tell your time what to do? Begin your time management revolution now.